button to input signal to your microcontroller. And again, remind you what's the difference between analog and digital. Digital you can only get two states, like high, low. For this board, high, low means high equals 3.3 watts, and then low means around 0 watts. Right? So that's what you're going to get. So today you're going to practice this part by controlling a button, and the button is in your sensor kit. Right, so that's what you do. So the function you're going to use today is the pin mode. Remember the pin mode function you have tried in last lecture. But last time you said you use pin mode in the set of function tells the microcontroller, I want to use this pin as output. Right, that's what you did last time. So this time, because you want to use that pin for input, so you just tell the program, okay, I want to use pin for input. But remember one thing. Every time when you try to use one pin, always check the data sheet. Because some pin can only be used for input or out. Right? So remember last time I showed the data sheet? Remember